Hello again. On Saturday, October the 26th, Tommy Robinson is calling for another rally in central London, in Whitehall at the entrance to Downing Street, which is planned to be even bigger than that which was held at Trafalgar Square on July the 27th. There are one or two points which people might consider about this before making any definite plans. Before going any further, I should point out that I'm pretty neutral about Tommy Robinson. I am certainly not opposed to him, but then again, neither am I what you might describe as a supporter. The first thing to bear in mind is that this, like the last one, is part of a carefully choreographed ballet in which the two protagonists are Tommy Robinson and Nick Lowes, head of an outfit called Hope Not Hate. If I am neutral about Tommy Robinson, then I can say at once that this is not the case with Lowes. I loathe him. It will be remembered that in 2021, Hope Not Hate financed a defamation action against Tommy Robinson over certain allegations which he made. Judgment was given against him and he was driven into bankruptcy. Nick Lowes was the mastermind of this scheme. An injunction prohibited Tommy Robinson repeating the allegations which led to the case. But last year a film was made which some say breaks this injunction. It is called Silenced and is freely available on the internet, including on Tommy Robinson's own Twitter account. The film was played at the rally in Trafalgar Square on July the 27th, which was a Saturday. The date of the rally had been chosen because Tommy Robinson was due at the High Court on July the 29th to see if he was guilty of contempt of court for supposedly circulating the film Silence. He left the country, though, the next day, which was a Sunday, and didn't turn up at court the following day. It is quite possible that had he done so, he would have been jailed for contempt of court. The Attorney General has now made a fresh allegation of contempt relating to the showing of the film at the Trafalgar Square rally, and a new date has been set for hearing both this and the previous allegation of contempt. This is by uncanny coincidence due to be heard at the High Court on Monday, October the 28th, 2 days after the rally scheduled to be held at Downing Street. It cannot really be a coincidence, of course, that these two rallies have both been organised to coincide closely with the dates that he is due to appear in court. It is deliberately engineered. Because he didn't turn up at court on July the 29th, it's very likely that the High Court will issue a warrant for Tommy Robinson's arrest to make sure that he is actually there on October the 28th. At a guess, and it is only a guess, I would say that he will be hoping to slip back into the country like some latter-day Scarlet Pimpernel, and then appear suddenly amid a crowd of supporters in Whitehall for this rally, putting the police in a very difficult position, whether to try and arrest him and risk disorder, or to allow the law to be made a fool of. It is going to be very interesting to see which course of action they choose. As I say, I'm neutral about Tommy Robinson, but I simply thought that people might be interested to know why these rallies are being held on the particular dates which they are. In the description to this video, I give a link to Tommy Robinson's latest tweet in which he talks about the rally in October.